How Millionaires Got Rich. According to studies, the majority of today's millionaires did not inherit their fortune. Being wealthy isn't always an easy process. Many of them put a lot of effort into becoming successful, and then had the acumen and foresight to invest their money wisely. What traits do self-made millionaires share? Let's discuss it. Welcome to Braylen AV. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe. Number 1. They had vision. Be clear about your goals and the best route. Create an action plan, make sure it's attainable. Then, monitor progress, and modify your approach as necessary. Number 2. They made smart spending decisions. On this journey, you may have to make some difficult decisions when it comes to spending. Try to avoid buying pointless things. Instead, invest in assets like stocks or real estate that will yield long-term growth. Number 3. They value time. Millionaires are also aware that time equals money. Early on, they developed time management skills, because they know there is no justification for exchanging time for money. Number 4. They found successful mentors. Self-made millionaires know they can't be experts in everything. In order to gain perspective and insight, they seek out to others who are knowledgeable about the specifics of various strategies. And this undoubtedly pays off. Number 5. They focused on earning. Many millionaires say they focused on earning early on. While most people concentrate on saving, the rich concentrate on earning. They know the value of saving, however, making money is much more crucial. This emphasis on income must be ongoing and intentional. Stop worrying about running out of money, and start concentrating on how to create more, if you want to start thinking like the wealthy. Number 6. Learning. Millionaires know, to achieve any financial goal, education and training are a must. Take the time to study, enroll in seminars, and take courses which can increase your wealth. The best investment you can make is building skills and investing in yourself. Number 7. Business. Businesses are how most millionaires made their money. They run their own companies, like restaurants, hotels, and clothing stores are just a few. We have articles on how millionaires got rich in our blog, braylenav.com. Don't forget to visit us, and subscribe to our newsletter. The link is down below. Number 8. Investing. Early on, millionaires concentrated on investing their money in areas where it will increase. Like, their residence, mutual funds, equities, and retirement accounts are just a few places. In the beginning, diversifying their investments is a must. They tried not to put a lot of money into things that lose value. Number 9. They developed multiple income streams. Many self-made millionaires receive income from a variety of places, such as dividends from investments, rental property revenue, and investments they have made in other businesses. Multiple income streams allowed them to have money coming in, replacing whichever sources are slowing down. A large portion of this is what is known as passive income, or money made without actively investing time and effort. If you enjoyed this video, please share it. And visit our description link below. We have 2 more millionaire videos for you,